In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your publication name on Substack in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if you want your newsletter to have a new identity or a fresh brand name. First, log into your Substack account and go to your dashboard. Once you're there, look for Settings at the top and click on it. Next, find the Website section in the left menu. This is where Substack lets you customize your publication's appearance and basic details. Under the Basics section, you'll see a field labeled Publication Name. Click into that box, delete the old name, and type in the new one you want. Once you've typed the new name, scroll down and hit Save. The change happens instantly, and your new publication name will appear across your site right away. Now, there's one important thing to know. If you don't see the publication name option, it's likely because of your theme. To fix that, simply switch your theme to Custom Theme and the setting will appear. Also, keep in mind that changing your publication name does not change your website URL. Your subdomain stays the same unless you manually edit it in the danger zone. And changing the subdomain can break old links, so only do it if you really need to. Finally, remember that your handle, the @username, is different from the publication name. You can change that separately in your account settings. And that's how you change your publication name on Substack. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.